Hi, my name is Haley Wood, and this is my EDL 853 Special Education for Building Administrators Module 1 Personal Introduction video. First, a few things about me. I live in South Central Kansas, and I've been married for almost 3 years, and we have a 4-month-old daughter. I have just finished my 4th year of teaching, and this year I completed it at Maxville Elementary School, which is in Maxville, Kansas, which is a small town farm community about an hour south of Hays. Our class sizes range from about 10, and our largest is 19, with most kind of being around the 12 to 15 range. I currently teach 5th and 6th grade math and science, and in the past I've also taught 4th grade. And I am the junior high volleyball coach at our school. Now, some of the content questions. So the leader plays a very important role in creating an inclusive culture at a school. The most important thing for the leader is to show respect and value each staff member. The staff members need to know that they care and are valued in their school in order for this culture to be created or continued. The staff need to feel included in the school decisions. If they feel included in the decisions they're making about the school, then hopefully that can translate into their classrooms and have effect with their students. It also needs to be the norm. In order for it to be the norm in a school, if it's not created yet, you might need to make it a goal. Make it something that you work to creating those steps so then it can continue and become the norm within your school. Professional development needs to be provided to teachers so they can see how it can look in a classroom. This may be a topic that teachers don't have much knowledge about, so as a leader, it is your responsibility to inform them and give them ideas and resources. An administrator needs to encourage collaboration to help meet the needs of students and staff. Committees could be formed to help create this culture, to help create ideas and help these students. But as an administrator, you also need to give your teachers the time. That's frequently a topic that is a struggle, is teachers say, I don't have enough time. So as an administrator, if this is something that you want to happen, this time needs to be created and provided. An administrator needs to involve the community and parents in the school. You can get ideas from your teachers, but ultimately it is up to you as the leader to create these opportunities and involve the community and parents in what you do to have that buy-in. Curriculum also is important for the leader to kind of focus on. These topics could be addressed with the students through books that are provided for the students to read or for the teachers to use in their classes, and also lessons to be used with the students. Our counselors have been great resources for this in the schools that I've been at. Some ways to encourage advocacy. Schools that I've been in, we've had families where groups of students are paired up with a teacher for 15 minutes a day, or it could be 30 minutes once a month, where activities are used and conversations are held, just so these students have an adult role model that they can go to within the school that hopefully they feel comfortable with. And just a smaller group of students, could be from various grade levels, just to help these students have someone to go to. In our school, we have what we call a Mustang Buddy, where these students are not paired up with teachers, but they're paired up with a older student. So these are junior high and high school students that they're paired up with. And we have activities throughout the year that these students do together. And it's just giving these students a role model that they can go to. Not a teacher, but having a student, maybe someone they feel more comfortable going to and can look up to. Also, just have signs or messages throughout your school building to encourage students to reach out. Give them resources, who they can go to, or just encouraging them, when in doubt, just reach out to have that conversation or help that they need. To provide equitable treatment for all, you could have professional learning committees where the teachers meet once a week just to discuss the needs of students and strategies and resources of what they can do to help all these students out. And one resource that I saw was having note cards with each of the students' names on them. So that way, no students are overlooked. You go through the list every week or every few weeks, so that way even those students that can kind of fall behind in the shadows, they're also being talked about and no one's getting left behind. As a staff, creating committees where anyone is welcome to join, or you have everyone on a certain committee, so that way staff also feel like they're not left out and their voice doesn't matter in the school. One way to kind of to change negative assumptions within a school, I feel like, once again, like I said earlier, time and having an understanding of the topic, or what teachers feel frequently is just left behind. They don't feel like they have an understanding, and administrators say, hey, we're going to do this, but they don't have the resources. So give the time to the teachers, break it down into more manageable steps so that way you can focus. It's not going to change within 1 year. You're going to have to break it down and make small steps to create this inclusive culture where everyone feels involved. And focus on the benefits. Teachers need to see what the benefits would be for themselves and their students so that way you can have that buy-in, which is important as an administrator to get that buy-in from your teachers. Thanks for watching.